How to activate Bank of America debit card. First things first, the most convenient way of doing this is by doing it via the Bank of America application. Now, once you have downloaded the application, make sure that you log into your user ID and your password, and sometimes you can definitely use your fingerprints for you to be able to log in successfully. Now, once you logged in, all you have to do next is just simply go to your current card that you have been using with Bank of America. Now, if you scroll all the way down from the application or from that part, you will be able to see debit card settings. So just simply tap on that and you should be able to see your card, your physical card, and then your card from the screen. So just choose on activate and have your CVV code, expiration date of the card, and the card number as well ready. So just input all those information and you will successfully activate your card using the Bank of America's application.